Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I hope that wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you are having a really good weekend. I know that this is slightly late. I'm kind of recovering from last week's Bollinger B1 and B2 event. There should be a review on the way, depending on if we manage to fix some of the challenging issues that we had with the sound. We had some challenging recording environments there, so I don't know if we're going to actually be able to do a report from there or not, but we are going to try and do something if we get to the LA Auto Show with Bollinger, so stay tuned for that one. Also, thanks to everybody who's been asking about my Chevrolet Bolt EV. The good news is, according to the garage, it was a sensor problem. Both the front ABS sensors failed at about the same time, which was causing a short, and that short was what was causing the car to go haywire. They actually fixed it, and we dropped it off on Monday. They actually fixed it by Wednesday morning, and I got a phone call saying it's been fixed just as I was about to get on the plane to go to Detroit for the Bollinger event. So that's why I still have the pickup truck. Also, we had a little fender bender on Saturday in the Bolt, and so once the car was fixed, it went straight to the repair centre, which is attached to the dealership, to be fixed. So I've still got this truck here. But the truck is the topic of today's Sunday Musing. As some of you noted earlier last week, in some countries, it's tougher to get a pickup truck. You have to have a business, you have to have a farm in order to get a pickup truck in some countries, like Italy, for example. And my question to you today is, do we make it too easy to buy gas-guzzling SUVs and pickup trucks? I'm not about to step on anyone's personal liberties, but I think we offer so many tax write-offs and incentives that it makes sense for a lot of people to buy a big pickup truck like this Silverado that I'm in right now. It's a double cab. It's got all of the creature comforts. It's got more features in it than my Bolt, to be honest. And it's ridiculous on fuel. I mean, it does 19, 20 miles per gallon if you're really careful with it. But if you drive it normally, you're probably going to get 15 miles per gallon. And I can't help but wonder, in the world of, increasing concern about man-made global warming, about climate change, about the impact that we humans are having on the environment, regardless of whether you think climate change is hocus pocus or not, I think we can all agree that we're all having a bad impact on the planet, and so we need to work together to fix that. I can't help but wonder if we need to make it harder, or at least increase the taxes and reduce the incentives on big gas-guzzling SUVs and pickup trucks. I drive to work and I see so many of these on the road that have clearly never seen a farm, never seen a work site, are never used to take large objects around. They're just purchased because people want to show off. They want to feel that they're in a big pickup truck, and I can't help but think that that's detrimental to our planet and detrimental to society as a whole. So what would you do if you could change the regulations regarding pickup trucks? Would you make it so that it's more expensive to buy a pickup truck, like increase taxes? And pickup trucks especially are a bit of a problem because, large SUVs in some countries are more expensive. You have to pay higher taxes. But pickup trucks have been given an easy time because they are work vehicles and people buy them, especially self-employed people, can get massive tax incentives in the US if they buy it for work. Well, I could run a business making cakes and still buy a massive a massive pickup truck and claim it as my work vehicle if I never had to carry anything other than, a couple of boxes of cakes everywhere to deliver. I could still claim that pickup truck was my work truck and I needed it. So I think pickup trucks are our biggest problem. Now, obviously, we went to the Bollinger event on Thursday, and it is coming to market as a proper work electric truck. It's aimed as being a workhorse. It's not a fancy Rivian. It's not a Tesla pickup. It's designed to be a work vehicle first and foremost. And I think that is super cool because it's helping change the conversation that we have about these vehicles. But big, massive pickup trucks like this Silverado with, heated seats, vented seats, AC everywhere, vents in the back, What else have we got? Power all round. It just feels like this was never designed to be a work truck. This is designed to be a family car with a pickup bed on the back. And I'm kind of curious as to how many people who own these really need them. So leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will be back tomorrow with more cool stuff. Thank you so much for the kind comments most of you gave to Erin's video. We will be working on that saga a little bit more in the coming weeks and months. And until next time.